Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to do a quick rejuvenating car wash on the car, and we're also going to protect the car afterwards. So this is going to be a 3-foam washing method. First I'm going to apply Bilt Hamber Touchless to knock off as much dirt as possible off the car. Let the snow foam soak onto the paint, and this is a routine that I do every 3 to 4 months, and primarily just using foam, no buckets. And why I'm doing this is just to sort of refresh the paint if it has any contamination. We're going to be using a decontamination car soap here too, and basically on a not very dirty car, I would say, just a car that's been maintained well, this works very good. So you don't really have to introduce a clay bar or anything like that. We're gonna brush off the grills here using the touchless, so that we don't have to do this during our main contact wash. I did wash the wheels prior to that. You did see me wash them many times, so I just decided to skip that. So now I'm going to load my snow foam cannon with some Garage Therapy Zero Decon car soap, which will clean the paint. This paint isn't particularly dirty, it's not contaminated at all. It's been maintained quite well, so but it does need to be deep cleaned now and then, just to take that traffic film that might have built up throughout the months, and it's a good thing to do now and then. And I'm just using one wash mitt here, which I'm going to be rinsing off with the pressure washer to knock off that dirt after each section of the car. It's really nice to foam the car with soap first, because you do get a lot of slickness, and the wash mitt just glides through the paint smoothly. And now you can see the panels are all flat, which means they've been stripped out of any waxes. And now I'm applying the Auto Finesse product, which is a snow foam wax, and I'm going to be rinsing it off with a garden hose, and we're going to get some decent beads here and protection. How long will last, I don't really know, but typically in my opinion, if you do your car washes every week, it will probably last maybe a few months if you apply a quick detailer. But it's the easiest way to apply car wax, and it covers pretty much every nook and cranny of your car, and also it's easier to dry the car afterwards. So here you go guys, these are the final results, and I think this is a very quick way to rejuvenate your paint, and doing it once in a while every 3 months is a good routine for the car, to keep your paint in top shape. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.